Hello everyone, today we are gonna be talking about Dogelon Mars. It's one of my favorite tokens, or you can say meme coins, but I really think it's a far from meme token. It has a really big potential to make something big in 2022, so please stay until the end of this video so you can get all the information that you need. But before we start, let's check how's the Dogelon Mars doing on CoinMarketCap. As you can see, the volume in the last 24 hours is up by almost 40%. Guys, can you see this? Almost 40%, which is almost $12 million. Live market cap is up by 8%, which means that the price is also up by more than 8%. Looking at the chart, we can see that we started in red today, but right now after this dip we can see a nice bullish uptrend and it stays there. But when we check the chart for the last 7 days, we can see that we are still trading in red, but that's nothing to be worried about. That's probably the best time to buy, to invest. I mean, you know the rule: buy the dip, sell high. And like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but if you didn't buy this token already, this is the right time. I mean, just wait for the price to come down. So moving on to their official Twitter account, where they posted their latest tweet that said, "History's greatest pioneers stood at the galaxy's edge and gazed into the dark unknown without flinching. Bravery is taking a step forward into uncertainty, but knowing that you're forging a path that the masses will follow." I think this means that we should not be afraid, we should just wait and believe in this token, and we should not be afraid of the dark. They probably talk about the whole market crashing down, Bitcoin going down, but like they said, bravery is taking a step forward into uncertainty. Bravery is taking a step forward. Bravery is taking a step forward into uncertainty. And right here we can see a really interesting reply that said, "Sucks that the buy limit is 95 million on a 24-hour period, or else I would buy billions." How many Dogelon Mars token do you currently have? And do you plan on holding it or swapping to another project? Tell me in the comments down below. And we are moving on to another article that said Dogelon Mars down 0.02%. Monday, what's next? Dogelon Mars has been relatively average in terms of volatility when compared to other cryptocurrencies. So far Monday, the payment tokens has dropped 2.42%. Investors Observer gives Dogelon Mars a moderate volatility rank of 44, placing it in the bottom 44% of cryptos on the market. The volatility gauge takes into account. This means that the rank represents its recent trends and it's overly influenced by a sudden spike or two in volatility. Elon's moderate volatility reading is coupled with a low reading on the risk/reward gauge, meaning that the token has moderate price swings and is well protected from price manipulation. Dogelon Mars price is in a favorable position going forward, with support near 0.0073 and resistance around 0.0079. This positions Dogelon Mars with room to run before facing selling pressures. I think we should not be afraid. Like I said, we should not be afraid of the dark, we should not be afraid of the market crashing, and we should not sell, because I have a really good news. And like I said, this is a long-term project. We cannot expect the price to go up overnight, but we can expect to lose a couple of zeros very soon. So Dogelon Mars receives a bearish rating Thursday. Is it time to jump ship? Dogelon Mars gets a bearish rating from Investor Observer. The crypto is down 10.62% to 0.0069, while the broader crypto market is down 6.35%. Over the last 5 days, Dogelon Mars has earned a bearish rating on the Investors Observer sentiment score. The sentiment score measures the performance of Dogelon Mars over the past 5 days by volume and price movement. The sentiment score provides a quick short-term look at the crypto's recent performance. This can be useful for both short-term investors looking to ride a rally and longer-term investors trying to buy the dip. Like I said, this is the right time to buy the dip, because the price will go up, price will skyrocket soon. Dogelon Mars is currently trading near its 5-day low at 0.0063. The crypto is 23.5% off its 5-day high and is 10.52% higher than its 5-day low of 0.0063. Dogelon Mars price is currently below support, with support set around 0.0075 and resistance at 0.0082. Dogelon Mars is potentially in volatile territory as selling pushes the crypto's price below recent support. Dogelon Mars has traded on low volume recently. This means that today's volume is below its average volume over the past 7 days. Like I said, it's not the highest price today, and looking at the last 5 days, it's pretty low, but that's the right time to buy. And guys, like I said, don't be afraid to buy, don't be afraid to invest. This is the answer you're looking for. Is Dogelon Mars a bad investment? Trading analysis, the risk gauge rank from Elon shows the token is currently a moderate risk investment. Traders focused on risk assessment will find the gauge most useful for avoiding or adding risky investments. The price of Dogelon Mars is 0.65% lower over the last 24 hours. Like I said, buy the dip, leading to its current value of 0.0080. The change in price goes along with the volume being below its average level, while the token's market capitalization has risen during the same time period. The crypto's market capitalization is now at almost $450 million. Meanwhile, almost $7 million worth of the current cryptocurrency has been traded over the past 24 hours. The volatility in the price relative to the changes in volume and market cap changes give Dogelon Mars an average risk analysis. Stay in the now. Elon's price movement over the past day of trading leads to an average risk ranking, as its recent price movement relative to trading volume gives traders reason to be not overly concerned on the token's manipulability as of now. So guys, what do you think after this? Is the Dogelon Mars good investment? Like I said, Dogelon is one of my favorite altcoins, so like I said, this is not a bad investment. The price is down right now, so that means you don't have to invest a lot of money and you can get a lot of tokens for low price. You don't have much to lose. Please do not put your lifetime savings into this project, but it's worth investing. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video.